Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing your assets and timeline so nothing interrupts the creative flow. Import your video and the overlay image. If the overlay has transparency, use PNG. Once done, set the project frame rate to match the footage to avoid motion jitter. Make sure resolution and aspect ratio match, 16:9 or vertical. Open the overlay track above the video, then scrub the timeline a few seconds to verify sync. These initial steps prevent common framing and timing problems later. Now you apply and refine the overlay so it integrates naturally with the footage. Drag the overlay layer above the main clip and trim to the section you want. Use blend modes like screen or add to remove black backgrounds, adjusting opacity for subtlety. Then scale and position the overlay. If the subject moves, add keyframes to transform properties to follow motion. Once adjusted, preview playback at full speed to confirm timing and appearance before moving to color and effects. Finish by grading and exporting to preserve the overlay look. Add a gentle vignette or color grade to blend foreground and overlay. Enable motion blur if the app supports it for realism. Export a short test clip at target bitrate and codec to verify alpha edges, color shifts, and sync. If you see haloing or jagged edges, re-export the overlay with straight alpha or change blend mode. If timing drifts, reconform frame rates. Once tests pass, render the full sequence using your chosen preset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.